And I was like, "Shit, this is, like, tiring." I'm tired of having to constantly create new videos and new ideas and new one-up myself over and over and over again to keep attention. I'm tired of having to constantly release new courses and a new next best thing and constantly keep the business going bigger and bigger. And I started to see my flywheel starting to slow down because of this exact problem right here. So I was like, "I gotta find some way not to be wrapped up in this. I can't do this until I'm 40. I can't make doing this the core of how I make money. I can't make it the cornerstone because I'm just gonna get tired. And eventually, I'm gonna run out of things to one up myself in, and then everything's gonna go down from there." So that's when I went and started software.
Now, what you heard is not me saying it. It's Alex Becker, probably one of the goats in the course coaching infopreneur niche, that is saying that he had to pivot to SaaS. Now, if one of the goats in this space pivoted to SaaS, it simply proves what I've been saying all this time long. SaaS is the number one solution for coaches, consultants, course sellers who don't want the income dependent on their time. Now, the benefit of having a SaaS, software as a service, is that you get recurring income, it works 24/7, it's detached from your time, and you're building a sellable asset. Now, why does this work perfectly for coaches, consultants, or course creators? First of all, you have the audience, right? You have the audience. You've already spent on ads. You've already done a lot of videos on YouTube. You've already built your personal brand. You've built an audience. Like, you've already put in the hours of grind. Your audience need tools. No matter what you're teaching people or you're consulting people about, they will need tools to apply what you're teaching them. So instead of sending them to other softwares, why don't you have your own? Because your audience already trusts you. They've bought your course. They've bought your mentorship. They've bought your coaching. I'm not going to give my money to someone who I don't trust. So if you offer your own software solution, they will love it, they will use it, and you will see they will stick with it for a very long time. So this should be pretty much the process. First of all, you grow your personal brand, right? You keep on doing the YouTube videos, you keep on running ads, put yourself out there so people get to know you. You get clients for your services, okay, which is amazing, which is great for cash flow. And then you pivot to a SaaS. I'm not telling you need to quit your coaching, your consulting offer. I'm just telling you, you should add a software solution to your business, right? Because that's where the real value is. Now, once you introduce a software solution to your ecosystem, if you want, you can stop creating content. Because even if you stop creating content, the software is still gonna work. You're not the main figure of your software. It's not like your coaching or your consulting service, right? Because for that, you need to be the face of it, right? The SaaS runs automatically. As long as it's a valuable solution that you're giving to the market, they don't care who's behind it. We don't know who runs Canva, but everyone uses it. I use it for my thumbnails. I need it. It works amazingly for me. When I'm about to use Canva, I don't care who owns it. So you can stop creating content and the SaaS will still run. You can change your offer, your service. You can be into business coaching today, and tomorrow you decide to go into crypto, the SaaS will still run. You can literally disappear from the internet, your SaaS will still run. And all of this combined gives you the real value. And here's where SaaS is real powerful. So let's take a look at a normal SaaS journey, right? So you start probably with you run your coaching or consulting, your course selling offer. And then after a while, you realize it's not sustainable long term. Because if you want to grow, if you're, for example, in coaching, you need to hire more coaches, increase your team. And once you increase your team, means more headaches. They will be saving your time with the service, but it increases your headaches, right? More responsibility for you because you have other people to take care of. So it's not sustainable. And not everyone wants to be in that position. So then you find one of my videos and you decide to approach the SaaS model. And I'm never going to tell you to start going broad, start running tens of thousands of dollars of ads. No, what I tell you is that start with your current students or clients because they already trust you. They are the best beta testers and they will pay you for that as well. So you start with your current students, your clients, and then after that, you scale. And that's where the real money comes in. Now, I made a video talking about how I was able to generate $400K with a SaaS for a coach. I'm going to put the video card on top here. So if you want, you can check it out. But the problem is that most of the coaches, the consultants, and these course sellers are stuck here, right? They've not even realized that it's not sustainable long term. And that's the real problem. Because once they will realize, it's going to be too late. And what do I mean by too late? Too late means that the market will be saturated with software offers. I said this multiple times in previous videos. The best moment to start your software solution is now, because if one of the big gurus, because they're all doing this, they all either have a coaching offer and then they have a SaaS on the side and they teach you how to coach, right? But once one big guru starts saying, hey, you need to build a SaaS to attach to your existing program, you'll see how the market is going to be flooded, just as everyone is a coach now. So the best moment to start is now. And you have no excuses, because I've built a system that will allow you to create your own software solution, sell it to your core students or clients, and don't have to even lift a finger, because me and my team are going to do all the work for you. Now, let's see some example of influencers that already have a SaaS, right? So, of course, as I said, Alex Becker, one of the goats in the Infobusiness, he has Hyros. Russell Brunson has ClickFunnels. These are just two examples, but there are a lot of infopreneurs that either switch completely to the SaaS model or implemented SaaS solutions to their offer. This is a really studied move. All of these guys started on either YouTube with their personal branding, trying to get people for their services, and then they use the cash flow they got from the services to build softwares. And you don't have to spend hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars like these guys did to create a software that your audience will need. Because as I said, I built a system purposely for coaches, no matter your niche, that's going to allow you to have your own SaaS. A SaaS that you can sell for a monthly subscription to your clients, and you will get monthly recurring revenue from it. Now, this system is the best fit for whoever teaches business, marketing, sales, you're into real estate, consulting, fitness coaching, agency, and course creation. It's 2025. You don't have to spend over hundreds of thousands of dollars just to build a software. This is what I'm trying to let you understand. And the best thing about this is that me and my team will act as your white label partner. So you don't have to even lift a finger. We will do all the research. We will build the software. We will provide customer support for you. We will build the websites. We will build all the backend features that you need. So you just stay there. You focus on your coaching, your consulting, your course selling, and then you enjoy the extra monthly recurring revenue that's going to come in. So if this software solution type of offer interests you, I'll put the video where I explain how we generated 400K for a coach with his own branded SaaS offer. I'll put it in the description and you can check it out for yourself and learn more. And if you want to have a more hands-on approach on this type of system, you can join my school. I'll teach you the whole blueprint. Link is going to be in the description. But if you want to fast track everything, you can book a call with us. We will show you a demo of our systems. We'll find the best SaaS solution for you. We will build it, brand it, launch it, and then give it to you. You have my team as a white label partner for you, so you don't have to worry about tech and customer support. We will take care of that. And you can just focus on your current program, your coaching, your consulting, your courses, and just enjoy the monthly recurring revenue that's going to come out of it. This is the biggest opportunity. Please don't let it slip out of your hands. This is a great opportunity. If you're a coach, a course seller, a consultant, this is probably the biggest opportunity for you to build generational wealth. Look around you. Look around in your niche. All the top guys have a software solution attached to their program, and you can do it too. So this is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you put a thumbs up, you subscribe, you can comment. And as always, work smart, stay blessed, and see you in the next one.